Do you ever wake up in the morning with every intention of having a great day, but somehow things start to go downhill before you've even had your first cup of coffee? Maybe you've never really given it much thought, but the way you start your morning tends to set the tone for the rest of the day. It's like a domino effect. One little habit can topple over into a cascade of stress, fatigue, and anxiety. So if you've been wondering why your days often seem to go off the rails before they even begin, it might be time to take a closer look at your morning routine. Here are 10 common morning habits you need to avoid if you want to make every day your best day. Number 1, hitting the snooze button. You know the feeling. The alarm goes off, and you groggily reach over to hit the snooze button, desperate for just a few more minutes of sleep. But here's the kicker. Those extra minutes aren't doing you any favors. When you hit snooze, you interrupt your sleep cycle, and you end up feeling even more tired and disoriented. This grogginess, known as sleep inertia, can stick around for hours, making it harder to get going. So, try setting your alarm for a time when you actually plan to get up. Your morning self will thank you. Number 2, checking your phone immediately. What's the first thing you do when you wake up? If you're like most people, it probably involves grabbing your phone and scrolling through a barrage of notifications, emails, and social media updates. While it might seem harmless, starting your day this way can spike your stress levels before you've even left your bed. The constant bombardment of information makes you feel overwhelmed and anxious, setting a negative tone for the rest of your day. Instead, give yourself some screen-free time in the morning to wake up more naturally. Number 3, skipping morning sunlight. Natural sunlight in the morning is one of the best ways to wake up your body and mind. Sunlight helps regulate your circadian rhythm, which controls your sleep-wake cycle. When you skip morning sunlight, you're missing out on a natural boost to your mood and alertness. Try to spend a few minutes outside or near a window in the morning to soak up some rays. It makes a big difference in how you'll feel. Number 4, not hydrating. Your body is naturally dehydrated after a night's sleep, so it's important to rehydrate as soon as you wake up. If you skip that morning glass of water, you're likely to feel sluggish and foggy-headed, which of course makes it harder to focus and get things done. Hydration is the key to keeping your energy levels up and your brain functioning at its best. Aim to drink a glass of water as soon as you get out of bed. Number 5, drinking coffee on an empty stomach. Coffee, the lifeblood of mornings. But did you know that drinking it on an empty stomach can actually do more harm than good? When you drink coffee before eating anything, it increases the acidity in your stomach, leading to digestive issues like heartburn or an upset stomach. It can also make you feel jittery and anxious. Not the best way to start your day. Try having a light meal before your first cup of joe to keep your stomach happy and your nerves steady. Number 6, eating a sugary breakfast. If your go-to morning meal is loaded with sugar, think pastries, sugary cereals, or even smoothies, you're setting yourself up for a crash later on. High sugar intake causes your blood sugar levels to spike and then plummet, leading to that dreaded mid-morning slump. It's much better to opt for a balanced breakfast with protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs to keep your energy steady throughout the day. Number 7, skipping morning exercise. It's easy to just linger around or scroll through your phone instead of squeezing in a workout. But skipping morning exercise can leave you feeling sluggish and unmotivated. Even just a quick stretch or a short walk will boost your mood and energy levels, setting a positive tone for the rest of the day. Morning exercise also gets your blood flowing and helps clear your mind. Number 8, watching TV. It might be tempting to turn on the TV and catch up on your favorite show or the morning news program while you're getting ready, but this habit can be more distracting than you realize. Watching TV in the morning eats up time that could be better spent on more productive activities like planning your day or getting some exercise. What's more, depending on what you're watching, it can negatively affect your mood, whether it's a dramatic show that leaves you feeling tense or news segments that stress you out. Number 9, steaming up the shower. There's something undeniably comforting about a hot shower, especially when it's chilly outside. However, steaming up the bathroom with a long, hot shower might not be the best way to start your day. While it may feel relaxing, hot showers actually dry out your skin and strip it of its natural oils, leaving you feeling itchy and irritated throughout the day. Additionally, the sudden temperature change when you step out of a steamy bathroom can make you feel sluggish and even more inclined to crawl back under the covers. Opting for a slightly cooler shower is still refreshing, but without the negative side effects. Plus, it might just give you that extra bit of energy to kickstart your day. Number 10, leaving your bed unmade. When you leave your bed unmade, it contributes to a feeling of chaos or disorganization that often carries over to the rest of your day. Making your bed might seem like a chore, but it's actually an easy way to start your day with a sense of accomplishment. It gives you a small win first thing in the morning, helping to create a more orderly and productive mindset. Like it or not, your morning habits have a big impact on the rest of your waking hours. By avoiding these common setbacks, you can put yourself on a path to a more positive, productive, and stress-free day. Remember, it's the little things that count, whether it's skipping the snooze button, drinking a glass of water, or spending a few minutes in sunlight. Start making small changes to your morning routine and watch how they ripple out to improve your entire day. After all, a good day starts with a good morning. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making more. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell. That way you'll get notified of our next post. Thanks for watching.